If you were involved in an automobile accident in Florida, the first thing you should do is make sure that you're okay, make sure all of your passenger is okay, and of course make sure anybody else involved in an accident is okay. Make sure they don't need medical attention. And the next thing that you should do if you're involved in a motor vehicle accident in Florida is call 911. You should call the police, tell them what happened, have them take photographs, speak to witnesses, so you can document the accident and show that it really happened. Get out of your car. Your phone has a camera on it. Use that camera. Take pictures of the scene. Take pictures of damage to your motor vehicle. Take pictures of the other motor vehicle involved in the accident. If there's skid marks on the ground, take pictures of those too. Anything you can possibly take pictures of. Pictures are very, very important. If there are witnesses that were not involved in the accident and they saw what happened, get their names, get their phone numbers. I can't tell you how many times I've been contacted by potential clients who said there were witnesses, but they didn't have their contact information. All of those things are very important steps to take after you're involved in a motor vehicle accident in Florida. If you have any questions about any of this, please do not hesitate to call Steinberg Law at 1-877-STEIN11.